Stuck on that stubborn MBR2GPT error? Let's get your disk conversion back on track, fast. First, try running MBR2GPT from Windows Recovery Environment. Restart your PC, hold Shift, and pick Advanced Startup. Go to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and open Command Prompt. Type MBR2GPT, convert, disk 0, allow fall OS, and hit Enter. If it succeeds, reboot, and you're done. If that doesn't work, you might need to move or rebuild your boot files. Open Command Prompt as admin and run bcd boot. C on Windows SC. Then, in Disk Management, mark your C drive as active if possible. Reboot and try MBR2GPT again. Still having trouble? Check your disk layout. Open Disk Part, list your partitions, and make sure there are no more than 3 primary partitions. If needed, backup data and delete extras. If all else fails, a clean Windows install in UEFI mode may be needed. Remember, always back up your files first. Quick summary. Try MBR2GPT in recovery mode. Fix your boot files, check your partitions, or do a clean install if needed.